Tools needed: flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap. Step 1. Remove the side case using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 2. Remove the hard disk drive and the CD casing. Step 3. Remove the power supply.
Step 4. Detach or unplug all the cable attached in the motherboard. Step 5. Remove the cooling fan. Step 6. Remove the heatsink.
Step 7. Carefully remove the CPU or the central processing unit. Step 8. Detach all the memory. Step 9. And lastly, the motherboard.
Motherboard. It's the central electrical circuit that connects all the different parts, distributing power as needed and transmitting information across the entire system. It's a pivotal junction responsible for processing information and data within the computer. Central Processing Unit (CPU). The CPU acts as the computer brain, handling all tasks and coordinating among different parts. Random Access Memory (RAM) and Read-Only Memory (ROM). RAM serves as the computer's short-term memory, storing data, processes, and commands actively.
VGA port or Video Graphics Array, used for PC monitor connection. Technicians troubleshoot for lost connections, faulty cables, or debris, sometimes using compressed air to remove the dust. Power supplies provide electricity to all components. Technicians troubleshoot by checking cords, outlets, and replacing faulty supplies.